Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Blissful Living. This is Rami and today's video is a recipe for aloo bhindi or potato and okra stir fry. This is a very simple recipe. It doesn't use a lot of ingredients. It doesn't have a lot of spices involved, but it is very delicious. It is the way I like eating okra or bhindi, with or without the potato. It is wonderful. I added the potato because I didn't have a lot of okra, and this tastes just as good as the okra would by itself. So let's get into the video. For this recipe, you're gonna need about 1 cup of sliced onions. I'm using yellow onions here because it brings a sweetness to the dish. Also have 3 dried chilies, that's per taste, and then 2 cups of fresh okra that I've sliced. One thing to keep in mind is do not wash your okra right before slicing. What you want to do is wash the okra whole and then let it dry completely. Air dry it and then slice it, otherwise it gets too slimy. We're going to begin in a non-stick pan over medium to medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of neutral flavored oil. Here I'm using grapeseed oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then we're going to add in the onions and the chilies if you're using them, and saute this until the onions are golden brown and translucent. Once the onions are nice and soft and golden brown, go ahead and add the potatoes and the okra along with salt to taste and stir really well. You want to ensure that the salt is well incorporated into the mix, which is what's going to help saute this and make this into a golden brown mixture. And that's it. Those are all the spices you need for this dish. We're going to cook this mix on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep it uncovered, do not cover it, and just keep stirring it occasionally every 3 to 4 minutes to ensure that it does not burn. And then after 15 minutes approximately, you'll notice that the potatoes are done. So just break into a potato and make sure it's nicely done. And the okra is crispy on the outside but not crunchy. You don't want it too crunchy. And at this point, your okra and potato stir fry, aloo bhindi ki sabzi, aloo bhindi fry, or bhindi tarkari is done. Whatever you like to call it, this is a delicious recipe, and I really hope you give it a try and don't doubt it based on the absence of any spices. Just the sweetness of the onions and the flavor of okra and potatoes is just really nice, and it is a wonderful recipe. It is best served with hot rotis, which is my favorite way to eat it. It's also nice as a side dish to dal and rice, or you can just eat it by the spoonful, whichever way you prefer. As always, if you do give this recipe a try, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And until next time, I will see you guys soon, and please take care.